Welcome to the Daily News AI. Washington, D.C. Former President Donald Trump has formally requested that the U.S. Department of Justice release all grand jury testimony related to the Jeffrey Epstein case, claiming he wants to clear the record and expose what he calls a deep state cover-up around the disgraced financiers, associates, and victims. In a letter sent to Attorney General Merrick Garland this week, Trump's legal team argued that the release of sealed testimony would demonstrate that the former president had no improper ties to Epstein, while also shedding light on what they described as a selective and politically motivated justice system. "This is about transparency and fairness," Trump said in a statement. "For years, people have thrown around false and damaging allegations without evidence. It's time for the truth to come out. All of it." The request comes just days after the Justice Department released a long-awaited report from its Office of Professional Responsibility, which examined how federal prosecutors handled Epstein's 2008 non-prosecution agreement. While the report did not mention Trump directly, it reignited public interest in Epstein's extensive network of political and celebrity connections. Legal experts, however, say Trump's request faces steep hurdles. Grand jury materials are typically protected by strict secrecy rules under federal law, and courts have historically been reluctant to release such information without a compelling legal reason. "This is not just a matter of political curiosity," said constitutional law professor Alex Chun. "There are strong legal and ethical protections in place to safeguard grand jury testimony, especially when it involves victims and sensitive investigations." The DOJ has not yet responded publicly to the request, but sources indicate it is unlikely to comply without a court order. Trump's legal team is reportedly preparing to file a motion in federal court if the department does not act. The move is seen as part of a broader effort by Trump to shift the narrative on his past relationship with Epstein, which has been a recurring source of controversy and media scrutiny. As the legal battle looms, the question remains: will the courts agree that the public has a right to see what's inside the Epstein grand jury testimony, or will the records remain sealed for years to come? Thanks for watching.